This video will review features covered in the CMS Sunflower Site Admin workshop. The topics include adding editors and site admins to your site, site-wide edits, URL redirects, creating and managing blocks. To add editors and site admins to your website, hover over People in your toolbar and select Cast Users. Enter the username of the person in the blank field. Under Role, select Site Admin or Editor. Then create a new account. If you decide to change the person's role, go to the Edit button to the right of the person's name, then click on the down arrow next to Edit and click Roles. Make your edits and click Save. To remove a person, click on the Edit button to the right of the person's name. Scroll to the bottom and click Cancel Account. Next, you'll get these options. Know that if you choose to delete the content as well, everything they created will be deleted, so just be mindful of these choices. I'll choose to delete the account and keep the contents. The first site-wide edit we'll make is in the footer. As I hover over the contact information, it looks like a block you can edit. If I click on the edit icon, we really aren't able to edit anything from here. This is true for contact information as well as social media. The departmental links column can be edited from here. I'm going to edit the contact information by clicking on the word Configuration in the toolbar. To edit information in the footer, click on KU Site Settings, and this is where you can edit the fields for your contact information. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom and save. I'll use the breadcrumbs at the top to go back to configuration. Now I'll click on social media and you'll see all of the social media options you can edit. If you don't want one of these to show, simply leave the field blank. You can edit departmental links from the footer. Hover in the block, click on the pencil icon, then Configure Block. To create a departmental link, type your display text in the title field, then type or copy-paste the URL. If you want to reorder the links, click and drag the crosshairs to a new position. Then scroll to the bottom and save the block. To create a redirect from one or multiple pages to another page, you can find URL redirects from the configuration page. You can also find this tool when editing a web page. Start from the page that will receive the redirect. Click Edit and go to the accordion menu located on the right. Go to URL Redirect, then click on Add URL Redirect. To fill in the path, you'll need to know the node numbers of the pages you want redirected as well as the one receiving the redirect. Node numbers are assigned to pages as you create them. To find the node number of the page you want redirected, go to that page, hover your cursor over the word Edit, and you'll see the URL with the node number at the bottom left-hand corner of your page. Now go back to the page you're adding the redirect to, and add that node number to the field. Then save. In the Essentials 1 course, you learned how to add a sidebar to your web page. Blocks can be used in the same way, but there are a few differences. With blocks, you can add formatting, such as bulleted lists, which you can't do in sidebars. Unlike in Drupal 7, blocks in Drupal 8 cannot be assigned automatically to all the pages on your site. They have to be added manually to each page. Creating a block is a two-step process. First, you need to create the block content. Then you need to place the block in a region on your page. To create a block, hover over Structure in the toolbar, Block Layout, and click Add Custom Block. Choose Basic Block. Add your block description and the content. Scroll to the bottom and choose Published and save. The second step is to place your block. Scroll to the bottom of the page. If you want to specify that this block be added to certain pages, you can do that here. Otherwise, you can simply manually add the block to the pages of your choice. Next, under Region, click Select and choose the region to place your block. In this example, I'll choose Block Staging Area for Body 1 and save block. Now you can add a block to a page. You'll need to add Body 1 to put the block to the side of your content, or Body 16 to put the block content across your page. In this example, I'll use Body 1. Click on Edit. I've already added content to the page, so now I'll add the block. Click on Add Sidebar Item, then Insert Block. In the field under Block, begin typing the title of the block you want to add. Then click on the title. Go to the bottom of the page and save.